today I'm actually gonna make my first video about this mod I'm about to do to my car. And guess what? It's a little Katana shift knob actually. Okay, so I've actually been wanting to get this done for a while, and finally I was able to get it. Replace my actual shift knob, the stock shift knob that came in with my car. Here's the new one that I'll be putting on, right? And just look at this. Look, it's a great looking shift knob, and also has that grip, right? Look at it. Look at the grip. Look at it. And with this grip, I'm sure I'm gonna love this while I actually ride my car in a manual mode. So today I present you how to change the shift knob on your Lexus IS. Alright, so this is pretty easy to do, as most of the people already know this. But if you ended up here, that means you're kind of new to mods, just like me. So let's get it, let's start. Alright, so first of all, what you want to do is make sure your car's in park, okay? Then you can go ahead and pull this boot down. You see this boot down here? So it's actually fixed with this. I've already pulled this down a bit. So you have to use a little bit force here, as it doesn't come out easy. And let's try this. All right, there it is. So you want to make sure to pull it all the way down right here, just like this. Okay, once you pull it down, okay, make sure you start twisting the knob. You see this? Easy. Okay, just keep twisting your knob, okay, until it actually comes out. You want to twist it counterclockwise. Okay, and it's coming out. That's it. There it is. So once it's off, it should actually look like this. Okay, so this is the thread that actually goes in. Okay, so I think the Lexus IS uses the 8 by 1.25. Okay, so make sure you get that right, because if you don't, then it's not going to go in. So this shift knob actually had the bigger thread. Okay, so also this came in with extra adapters. Okay, like as you can see here. So it has like different size in here. I think this one's 9 by 1.25. This is 10 by 1.25, and this is 12 by 1.25. But this Lexus IS uses 8.1.25, which I've already put it in. It's already in here. So let's go ahead and actually put this in. It's pretty simple. Okay, so all you do is you put it up here like this. Okay, that's it, and then you start twisting. Might not get all the way down there, but just do your best. Okay, so alright, that's it. Okay, super easy, right? And this little minor mod is actually gonna make your car look a lot better. So just with this shift knob, this is a game changer, guys. Okay, so just make sure you pull this up like this. That's fully done. Okay, that's in there. Easy, right? Love it. Okay, so this is what I love about it. So when I usually drive on a manual mode, so this is what I was looking for when I'm actually driving, to be able to shift my gear up and down really fast, really nice with this grip, as you can see. Love it, guys. Yeah, actually ends the video today. And if you guys like this video and if it was any helpful to you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, because I'm sure I'll be doing a lot of videos on all the mods I do to my car.